Barbecue, that fundamental expression of high quality, low and slow outdoor cooking, made with old hickory, made in backyards all across America. For over 700,000 years, we've been cooking meat with smoke and fire. This practice has been essential to the evolution of our species and has helped us develop into the most dominant species on the planet. That species known as mankind. Today, Happy Trails Hiking presents beef brisket, made with a cheap water smoker and a $20 controller. Yes, it's so easy. A man cave man can do it. Temperature control is essential. We are using the Will High WH1436A to control the heating element and keep the temp at 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Prep is simple. Trim some fat, rub with freshly ground black pepper and kosher salt. Maintain low and slow cooking until the brisket is 150 degrees. Wrap it in foil with a brown ale to add moisture and flavor. Bring the temperature up to 200 degrees. Then let it rest for 2 hours, slice, and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Share this video with a friend who appreciates barbecue.